Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the proper function in Excel. So what exactly is this proper function? This function can be categorized under Excel text functions, and it will help you to capitalize the first letter in a text string and any other letters in text that follows any character other than a letter. So where do we use this proper function? Or you may think that how you can use this proper function in your day-to-day work. Whenever you're doing a data cleaning or data pre-processing, then we often import data from external sources, and this proper function will help you to convert text into this proper case if required. And we can also use it to capitalize each and every word in a given string, and using this function will not affect any number or any punctuations. It will only convert all the letters to lowercase except the first letter. So let's go and see the example that we have here, and the example states that we have to get the names in a proper format, and this proper format is that the first letter should be the capital and rest of all the letters should be in smaller case. So right now we have this order table, and in this table we have last name and first name, and what we need to do is that we need to get this last name and first name in a proper order. You can see here that this last name and first name, everything is in capital, right? So we have to do something like this. So this is the first name, right? So the first text of this first name D should be capital, and rest all of this should be in smaller case. So in order to do this, we have to use this proper function. So how we can do this? So we'll simply put equal to, and then we'll use this proper function, and then the proper function asks you for a text. This text is the required argument, and text needed to be enclosed in a quotation mark if you are not using a cell. So when I'm saying that you have to use a quotation mark when you are not using cell, this means that if you are putting your argument manually, for example, I'm putting ABCD, this is a manual argument which I'm putting as a text argument, then it has to be enclosed in quotation mark, else you can directly use the cell where the name is present or the text is present. So if I close now this bracket and if I press enter, you will see that this first letter A is in capital and rest all of it is in small, right? So when I was giving this argument, you can see that all of this ABCD is in small, but when I use this formula, this first letter A is in capital. So similarly, we'll simply put proper here, and then we'll give our cell address, which is A6 for the last name, and then we'll close this bracket, and this will basically gives us the result in which the name starts with B, and it will make B as capital and rest of all the letters as small, right? So similarly, we'll put equal to proper here for first name. We'll give the cell address, which is B6, right? And then we'll close this bracket. Now if you want to get the name in proper format for all of these range, you can simply select this entire range and press Ctrl D to apply the formula, or what you can do is that simply select this range in which you have applied the formula, and then you can drag it till the end, and your formula will be applied for this entire range. So this is how basically you use the proper function to capitalize the first letter in a text string. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.